Hello students, today I am starting a new topic, parallel plate capacitor. In this topic, we will have to derive an equation, a formula for it, a formula for C. Now let us start. There are two thin plates of a parallel plate capacitor. Upper one is charged by positive charge and lower one by negative charge. The area is A and the distance between the two plates is D. Here the surface charge density of charge Q of this one is surface charge density, say sigma plus sigma, and here it is minus sigma. Upper plate is insulated and the lower plate is earth. So by any means we will have to provide this plus Q charge over here and minus Q charge over here. Okay. So basically, how to define the parallel plate capacitor? The parallel plate capacitor consists of two thin conducting plate, each of area A, held parallel to each other at a suitable distance D. Okay. And let upper one is 1 and lower one is 2. Okay. So now, what is sigma? Sigma is Q by A, total charge by total area. This is sigma, surface charge density. Now let us start. First, so we know C is equal to Q by V. This is the formula for any capacitor. We know it. So we will have to find out the V. Now let us see. Let us to find out V. First, we will have to find out E. E means electric field. Electric field is epsilon by sigma by epsilon naught. Okay. अब ये कैसे आया? We can prove it. We know that by Coulomb's law, E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Just rearrange it. That is equal to Q by 4 pi R square into 1 by epsilon naught. Here we know that charge Q is spherically symmetric and area of sphere is 4 pi R square. So this is going to be sigma by epsilon naught. Okay. Now, because sigma is equal to Q by A, so putting this value of sigma over here, so E will be equal to Q by epsilon naught A. Let it be equation number 1. Now, इन दोनों के बीच में let potential difference is V. Let potential difference between two plates is equal to V. So we know that E is equal to V by D. Again, question is how it has come. Basically, electric field is also called as potential gradient. It is known fact. Still, we can prove it. Again, using Coulomb's law. E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square. और V का फार्मूला है V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Using these two, we will get E is equal to V by R. Okay. Here in place of R, we have kept D, the distance between two plates. So इसका भी proof आ गया. Now, So here V is equal to what? E into D. Okay. Now putting the value of E from here, E की वैल्यू यहाँ से लेकर पुट अप किया. So V is equal to what? In place of E, just put up Q by epsilon naught A into D. Okay. So this will come Q D by epsilon naught A. Okay. We know already by definition C is equal to Q by V. Okay. Now put up the value of V from here. So this will be Q by, in place of V, just put up QD by epsilon naught A. So it will come, QQ cancel out, it will be epsilon naught A by D. So C will be equal to epsilon naught A by D. This is the required relation. Now, just analyze it. To increase C, what we will do? We will increase the numerator and we will reduce the denominator. So we will have to increase A, we will have to reduce D, we will have to increase epsilon 0. अब देखते हैं कि ये तीनों कैसे होता है. So to increase C, first of all, increase A. A should be increased, means area of, increase the area of conductor, area of the plate, you can write down. And second, reduce value of D. D means reduce the distance between the two plates. Okay. Third, use some suitable dielectric. इससे क्या फायदा होगा? यहाँ पे एप्सिलॉन नॉट है, तो अगर एप्सिलॉन नॉट की जगह पे कोई हम डायरेक्टिव, ये जो एप्सिलॉन नॉट है इट इज फॉर एयर, फॉर अदर मीडियम्स हम यूज करेंगे तो वहां पर आएगा एप्सिलॉन. एप्सिलॉन क्या होता है? के इंटू एप्सिलॉन नॉट. ठीक है. And value of K is always more than 1. So definitely by using dielectric we are increasing the value of C. कैपेसिटेंस हम बढ़ा रहे हैं तो इन तीनों से. ठीक है. सो आज का बस केवल यहाँ तक. In next video, first we will do some numericals on this and then we go for some other topics. Thank you.